The number of boys and girls who appeared in CAT 2004 examination was in the ratio 16:9, and the number of boys and girls passing the examination was in the ratio 4:3. If 75% of the girls passed the examination, then find the percentage of boys who passed the examination. Okay. Now, we have been given the ratio of boys and girls who have appeared and then who have passed as well. So let's assume that the number of boys who appeared was 16x and the girls was 9x. Now, the number of boys and girls passing the examination was in the ratio 4:3. Now, we cannot use the same variable x again. So, we'll use y over here. 4y and 3y. Now, 75% of the girls passed the examination. Okay. Now, percentage pass, the concept is very simple. Number of passed students, or in this case, passed girls, upon total girls into 100. Now, this value is given to us as 75%. Now, the passed girls are 3y. So, 3y upon total girls are 9x into 100. Okay. Now, this is 25 3s are, 25 4s are. 3 cancelled out. So, therefore, x upon y is equal to, we can say, 4 upon 9. Okay. So x comes over here, y comes down, 4 is here, 9 is here. So x upon y is equal to 4 and 9. Okay. Find the percentage of boys. Now substituting the values, 16x. So total boys are 64. 16 4s are 64. And number of passed boys are 4y. Y is 9. That is 36. Okay. So solving this percentage boys who have passed, that becomes 36 upon 64 into 100. Okay. So let's divide it by 4. 4 9s are 16. So 9 upon 16. We can divide this. 4 4s are 4 into 25. Okay. So 25 9s are is 225 divided by 4. So we have 56 1/4 percentage. So the answer is option B.